Hello everyone, today I'm going to write a code in HTML file with figure and figure caption element. But before start writing a code, I want to review what is the figure and figure caption. What is the figure? It is specified that the content of the figure element should be flow content with an optional caption, either before or after the content. In theory, this could be used for several types of things: sidebars, bull quotes, aside, charts, images, secondary media. In practice, the most common use is for caption, images, and charts. This makes sense as figure has a meaning in academic and technical writing and illustration, image, chart, or other visual content. Usually captions related to the main content, but often found separated from it. There is no reason, though, that it couldn't be used for some of those other purposes. The figure caption element is used as a child of the parent figure element to attach a caption to the image, table, or chart contained in the figure element. The figure caption element must be a child of figure element. Moreover, it must be the first or last child element inside the figure, and there can be no more than one figure caption. Inside figure, the content of the figure caption should be the text describing the content of the figure. Each figure must have one figure caption. Figure the figure img, src, height 100 pixel, wide 100 pixel, img, src, height 100 pixel, wide 100 pixel. Figure caption. Sample of figure caption. This is figure and figure caption here. Now I can change this one. Paris to Armenia. The caption. I hope you like my tutorial. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and also click the like button.